In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Yahoo emails in bulk. So there's two ways to do this. So let's go ahead and open up our Yahoo Mail app. And as you see, I'm just on my regular inbox. So if you were to look at your inbox and you just want to get rid of all the emails there, you're not looking for something specific, you would go ahead and hit the select button at the top right-hand corner. And then what you would want to do is on the opposite side on the top left corner, go ahead and hit select all. So what that's going to do is it's going to select every single email. And a neat little trick here is if you just keep scrolling down, it's going to keep selecting every email that you keep going through. And then so you can, in theory, just keep on scrolling through and it's going to delete every single email that is being chosen here. Because the fact that you chose select all, it's just going to keep selecting these emails. So from there, you would go ahead and hit delete. And then it's going to take a second. You'll see that notification at the very top of your page here that 90 emails were deleted, and you can just keep scrolling through. But let's say you wanted to delete a specific email address or specific name. So what you would do is go to the magnifying glass at the very bottom here. And I'm just going to go ahead and type in Amazon here. And so this is only going to filter through emails that have Amazon in the description or the title of the email from the sender. Doesn't really matter. It's just going to go ahead and select those and filter through. Once this email loads up, all you need to do is go ahead and hit the select button at the top right-hand corner again. And then a little bit different from the other process is go ahead to the top left-hand corner. You're going to see a checkbox saying last week. So go ahead and check that. And then as you're scrolling down, you're going to find an option here saying older. So go ahead and it's going to start to choose older emails as you scroll further down. So let's go ahead and hit older. And then keep on scrolling down. And then once you see this option here at the very bottom, once you see that the emails are unchecked, you'll get that older option again. So we can go ahead and hit older at the top left-hand corner, and it's going to keep cycling through, and you can go through and delete those emails. And then go and hit delete just like you normally would. But that's pretty much it. That's two ways to delete bulk emails in your Yahoo